Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. You must update the Roblox client, studio, and your browser. This prevents version mismatch issues. Once updated, log into the exact account that owns or edits the place and enable two-factor authentication for stability. Clear the client cache and restart the app. Then test the View Details feature on a second device or browser to isolate whether it's local or account-related. These steps eliminate the most common environmental causes. Once done with basics, dive into the place itself and inspect how view details are generated. You should open Studio, enable Explorer and Properties, and select the object or GUI that shows the view details. Examine properties like Visible, Size, Z-Index, and Adornee. Make sure place permissions and group roles allow viewing for your test account, and verify that server or client scripts aren't overriding camera or starter GUI behavior. Run live tests with output open to watch for runtime errors and warnings that explain hidden failures. To finish, deploy a staged build and validate view details on multiple devices and accounts. Watch the output and console logs for errors. If the issue persists, disable suspect scripts one at a time and retest after each change to isolate the offending code. Make configuration or permission corrections, then republish. If nothing works, reproduce the problem in a clean test place. This is your key troubleshooting tip, because once you can reproduce it in isolation, port the minimal fixes back to the original place and confirm stability.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.